All right, this is our review for chapter 3. And let me get some colors going here. Okay. Simplify each expression. Express all answers with positive exponents only. Okay. On this first one, you're taking -7 times this +4. And that is going to equal a -28. You're multiplying a monomial times a monomial, so just multiply the coefficients together, you know, just -7 times +4. But then, come on, there we go. I'm going to take this p to the 3rd times p to the 9th, and then that's going to be my term here, or my variable. And when you're doing that, you have to use the rule that says x to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. And so p to the 3rd times p to the 9th is p to the 3 plus 9 is 12. And that's your answer for the first one. Now, on the second one, I'm going to have to use the rule that says x to the a raised to the b is x to the a times b, except I have 3 different bases here. I have this 2, this x to the 3rd, and this y to the 2nd. And then your x is your 2 is really 2 to the 1st right here. And all of those are being raised to the 4th power. So the 4 is like the b right here. And then the a is like the 1 and the 3 and the 2. So this is going to be x to the, sorry about that, 2 to the 1 times 4 is 4. X to the 3 times 4 is 12. And then y to the 2 times 4 is 8. But then the 2 to the 4th, this guy right here, that base is a number, so I can actually raise 2 to the 4th power. And you just, do it in your head. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So my answer is 16, x to the 12th, y to the 8th. And that's the answer there. And then on 3, since I'm dividing, I will have to use the subtraction rule that says x to the a divided by x to the b is x to the a minus b. All right. However, your first piece of the numerator and denominator, they are both just regular old numbers. They're coefficients. So don't take 24 minus 4. 24 and 4, not exponents. Please don't use exponent rules on things that are not exponents. That's just 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So when you calculate that, you get a 6. But then you got to go through and do the m to the 15th divided by m to the 14th, and that's just going to be m to the 1st. And then I will do the n to the 11th divided by n to the 9th, and that's going to give me an n to the 11 minus 9 is 2. And the only thing you can do to make this more simplified is m to the 1st is just m. So this would be 6mn squared. And that is the first 3 problems.